Hello students, today we're focusing on nonfiction text features. Make sure when we read the index that we notice how the index is organized. Using an index. Use this index from the book All About Pigs to answer the questions. Index: Barnyard 10, Bearded Pig 28-29, Giant Forest Hog 30-32, Hooves 7, Litter 15-16, Mud Bath 9-10, Pig as Food 11-22-24, As a Pet 22 and 25-27, Piglet 15-16, 31-34, Size 15, 28, 30, 33, Snout 5, Tail 6, Wart 28, 30, 33, Wart Hog 33-35. Now we're going to read the question and fill in the bubble next to the correct answer. Number 1, which of these pages would tell how big pigs can be? Page 15, page 5, page 24, page 31. Go back to the index and find which pages would tell how big pigs can be. Pause the video if you need more time. Question number 2. Which pages might tell why pigs like mud? A, 11 and 22, B, 5 and 7, C, 9 and 10, D, 15 and 16. Go back to the index and find out what pages might tell why pigs like mud. Pause the video if you need more time. Question number 3. How many pages tell about pet pigs? 3, 4, 2, 5. Look back at the index and find out how many pages tell about pet pigs. Pause the video if you need more time. On which group of pages can you read about parts of a pig's body? 6, 11, 15, 5, 9, 10, 5, 6, 7, 7, 30, 33. Go back to the index and look at which group of pages can you read about parts of a pig's body. Pause the video if you need more time. Don't forget about the strategy practice. How is an index arranged? Why? Why is the index set up or arranged the way it is? Pause the video so you have time to write a good sentence. Now let's look at the other side. Here we're looking at nonfiction text features and visual information. When we read the passage, notice the sentences that give the most important information. What everything is made of. Matter is the material that makes up everything on Earth. Rocks, paper, wood, water, and even air are made of matter. Animals, plants, and people are made of matter too. Matter is made up of very tiny parts called atoms. Atoms are too tiny to be seen. Atoms joined together in groups form molecules. Matter exists in one of 3 basic forms: solid, liquid, or gas. For example, a pencil is a solid, milk is a liquid, and steam is a gas. Each of these forms has a different arrangement of molecules: solid, liquid, gas. Now for the skills practice, read the question, fill in the bubble next to the correct answer. Which of these shows matter in its three forms? A, the title of the passage, B, the illustration, C, the first paragraph, D, the words in bold print. Look back at the passage and find which shows matter in its three forms. Pause the video if you need more time. Question number 2. The illustration shows that the molecules in a solid are very far apart, not close together, packed closely together, floating in the air. Look back at the illustration and tell me how the molecules in the solid are shown. Very close, very far apart, not close together, packed closely together, or floating in the air. Pause the video if you need more time. Question number 3. You can tell the important science words because they blank. A, come first in the sentences. B, are in alphabetical order. C, are all in the first paragraph. D, are all in bold print. Look back at the passage. How can you tell which are the important science words? Pause the video if you need more time. Question number 4. Which of these would be the best title for the illustration? A, shapes of molecules. B, forms of matter. C, how atoms look. D, ways atoms group together. Look back at the illustration and figure out which would be the best title for the illustration. Pause the video if you need more time. Don't forget about the strategy practice. Underline the sentences in the passage that help you understand the illustration better. Feel free to re-watch or rewind parts of this video if you need more help reading this passage or answering the questions. And don't forget to put your name on your paper and put it in a safe spot to give to your teacher.